Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to set up YouTube parental controls to make the platform safer for your kids. I'll break it down into 2 simple steps so you can choose what works best for you. Log into your YouTube account and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Tap on Settings, then go to General. Scroll down and enable Restricted Mode. This will hide potentially mature content. If you want to prevent others from turning it off, tap on Lock Restricted Mode and set a password. Method number 2. Instead of using the main YouTube app, download the YouTube Kids app. It's full of child-friendly content. When you open YouTube Kids, a parent must unlock the app using a math problem or passcode so your kids can't access it on their own. In the app, you can set a timer, customize content, and create a passcode for extra control. For more details, check out my other video on YouTube Kids.